In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete media files on Sora AI. Quick file management tutorial. If your Sora workspace is getting cluttered or you just want to free up storage, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove images or videos you no longer need. We'll move from finding the official site to accessing your profile to deleting files safely. You don't need anything special, just your web browser and access to your Sora account. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to Google. This is the easiest way to get to the official Sora site without typing a long address. In the Google search bar, type Sora and press Enter. When the results appear, look for the official Sora website. If you see multiple results, pick the one that clearly references the Sora platform you use. When in doubt, check that the link looks official and secure before you click. Click into the Sora website. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Once you're in, you'll likely land on an Explore or Home page. From here, navigate to your profile. On the left side of the screen, roughly in the middle, you'll find the Profile area. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to your personal library where your uploaded images and videos are organized. Inside your profile, you should see your files laid out in a grid or list. Take a moment to review what's there. If you're deciding between similar versions, you can open a file to preview it and confirm it's the one you want to remove. It's a good habit to double-check file names, thumbnails, timestamps, or any notes to avoid deleting the wrong item. If the file might be reused in a project later, consider whether you want to keep a backup locally before you proceed. Now select the image or video you want to delete. When you've highlighted or opened the file, look for the Delete option. Depending on your view, it may appear as a button, a trash icon, or inside a More menu. Click Delete. You may be asked to confirm. This is a safeguard to prevent accidental removals. Confirm the action, and the file will be removed from your library. After a moment, it should disappear from the list. If it still shows, refresh the page to update your view. That's it. You've successfully deleted a media file in Sora. Keeping your library tidy not only frees up space, it also makes it easier to find what you need. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!